What's up, guys? It's Gio, and today I'm gonna be working on this car right here. If you guys follow us on IG, you guys know this thing's been sitting, but today I'm gonna be trying to just mock the new front end, which is I got the bumper and all this stuff. But yeah, as you guys can see, there's no hood. I started taking this apart a few days ago, but from then till now, I actually posted the hood for sale and someone already picked it up, so I don't have that no more. Yeah, I took off the front bumper. I already have the fenders ready to go out, so actually let me just take them out right now. They're all like bacon, and I have the rest of the parts right here. Let's see this one too. All right, so it's pretty naked now. I still have the rear bumper on this thing, which is really messed up. I don't have the rear bumper with me, so I'm not gonna take this one out today. But there's a lot of damage on this car. Yeah, like I said earlier, the plan for right now is to just try to fit the new stuff as best as possible. You know, it is fiberglass, so it's not gonna fit like super good. Just get an idea of like what I need to do and what needs to be done to like make it fit. But yeah, I'll show you guys this stuff right now. All right, so here we have my old front bumper, which I think Kareem's gonna get it. And we have the KBD side skirts, and we have the trusty fenders. Dude, these things are the OG ones that came with the car. They've been through a lot. As you guys can see, I cut this shit, but it's time to go because can't really use them anymore. I'll just give you guys a little walk around the car if you guys never seen it. It is a S13 coupe. It's a 93. I had the stock engine before, but I think about a year and a half ago, Storm and I did 2JC swaps. So this is a NA 2JC out of a GS300. It's been treating me well. It's a really simple car, honestly. I have a W58 transmission in it. Got a coil rad. I had this thing welded or patched up a few times already because some like thing down there just keeps messing with it. Inside, oh man, this thing's been sitting for a long time. You guys can see this. It's been like over a month now. The inside, we have a mess, but we have a sparkle seat, just a quick release. Just actually, let me show you guys the seat. The seat's pretty cool. All right, we have a bright seat, a low max. It is pretty good. I like the silver with the glitter in it. But yeah, everything else inside this car is pretty much completely stock, and as you guys can see, I'm missing like a few parts. The inside is gonna get hopefully a little refresh too, but so far, yeah, like nothing crazy. Just don't have the back seats anymore. It's just easier with the harness. I've kept this car really simple. Haven't done much to it like that like overcomplicates the car, so you know I can get a lot of seat time. All right, this is exciting stuff right here. Got the front fenders, I got the bumper, and I got the new hood. You guys can see it's a Vente hood right here. I don't know the brand of any of this stuff honestly, but I'm pretty sure it's gonna look pretty cool, and that is gonna go straight to that. So let's get to it. I think I'm gonna start with the fenders and see how this thing's fit, because it's fiberglass. I'm gonna just put them on like that right now. The other one, let's see. Damn, that looks like way better already. Like just knowing that like these things are not like all bent up, like you can see there's damage in it, but it's fiberglass, so in a way it's pretty much fixable. But damn, look at that. That looks sick. I really like the vent and like the little like angle that it has now. See the other side? Damn, that looks fucking sick. I like how like it has the wheel poke. See on this side too. The wheel poke, I'm running 17x9 with the, I think I'm running about like a 50 mil spacer or 55. I know it sounds crazy, but with the angle kit that I have, I'm running OMD angle kit, and that's pretty much what you have to run. All right, now I'm gonna do the hood, and I'm gonna set up this camera somewhere. All right, now I'm gonna try to put this. Dude, this is sick. It's like, oh fuck. Yeah, but like compared to the OEM, this thing's like super light, so it's pretty easy to install. I think I have some bolts over here. All right, that wasn't so bad. Now, the tricky part is to get this thing on. Just put it right here. And we got the lashes. Oh, shit. Alright, see? That's the tricky part right there. Oh, man. Alright. Second time. This one's right here. Go to the other side. Alright, I just kind of installed the hood. It only has one bolt right here, and it has one bolt over there. I did just notice this thing doesn't have like the for the hood thing. I'll probably have to drill something right here, or just deal with it like this. It already came with this thing, which is pretty cool because that means this keeps the OEM, and I don't have to like drill and do like hood latches. The fenders are being a little bit tricky right now, but I'm gonna try to like put some bolts in it and see like how it fits, and then go from there. But so far the hood's on, and now let's put some bolts on this thing. All right, first impressions. This actually doesn't fit that bad. You guys can see there's a gap from here. It gets like bigger right here, but I think I can still like cut some of the fiberglass, push the fender this way. But yeah, overall it looks pretty good. Got a really tight fitment right here, but that can be adjusted like I said. To see if the door hits or anything like that. It opens and it closes. The hood is like pretty high right here, and it's pretty low right here. You gotta figure what's happening right there. You can see right here it's probably gonna hit. I think it is hitting, but oh, it's better. But the gaps are pretty like even when it comes to like side to side, so I'm pretty hype on that. So now we're gonna put the new bumper. I'm using the OEM bracket for the bumper. I think I'm just gonna run like zip ties on the side or something simple, so if like it hits, it'll rip really quick. Well, at least for the front, I'm using the OEM one just because easier for fitment and like to mount. At least it's like the most secure thing on it. So let's throw this thing on. Like you can see right here, the crash bar is tilted this way because I hit storm. This is like better condition, but if you actually like look, if I put it like this, you can notice this is way lower than that one, so that's probably gonna be an issue. Other than that, this bumper has a lot of space on the sides, so I don't think the crash bar is gonna be a really big problem right now. Obviously this is probably gonna get replaced eventually. Got one on. Let's see if we can shift a little bit. Now I'm gonna close the hood and see how the gaps are probably gonna be horrible, but getting closer. All right. Damn, that's a big gap. Shee. You guys can see right here. Oh man, look at this big old gap. That's like, oh yeah, let me show you this. I'm using the brackets right there, which are the OEM ones, and you know, just like I said, that one of them was lower. I'm pretty sure both of them are like pretty low, but that's like really messed up. So you can just notice right away for the gap. Like that's a big gap, and that's like on the bracket. This side, I mean, it's manageable, like no, not too bad. Can probably bend that bracket a little bit, make it fit more. And I don't know what else I hit over time, but look at this gap. This is pretty massive. So I think right here what I have to do is I have to bend this back, like the bracket or whatever, try to line it up with the bumper so it's not like this, and either weld something to this thing, a bracket, a spacer, I don't know, so I can raise this thing, because I can do it by hand, but the headlight's still like under the bumper. We can get a shot. Or how am I? Damn, dude, that looks so sick. Oh man, that's fucking man, this makes me so happy. This is the first time seeing this like this, man. Like, you guys have no idea. I have this thing for so long. All right, I just mounted the front bumper, like put some zip ties right here. I'll show you guys. Good old zip ties. Or another one right here, just to kind of like, you know, hold it in place. The hood doesn't close, and I believe is because this hood has the vents, so it has like a little indent compared to the OEM. So I believe it's hitting either the manifold or this part right here, which is the front end of the engine. I can't really tell, but it looks sick. Also, we are probably gonna delete this ones right here, these two vents, because it kind of looks odd already having 4 more. Probably put a zip tie right here too. Actually, I might just do that. Hold up. All right, I just put some zip ties right here. You can see once I put the zip tie, it's like a bigger gap. Like I said, it's fiberglass, so nothing's gonna fit perfect. Let's move the car right there on the open and just give it like a better look. Let's hope it starts. Oh, well, sound is leaking. Damn, it looks sick. All right, let's turn this thing off. Turn on the fans. Now that we have it here, I mean, you can see the gap. Oh man, you can actually tell how the headlight is like super down. So like this whole corner is like sad. This corner is happier. Well, actually, maybe once if I am able to close the hood, it's not gonna be as bad, because it's still like a gap right there. And I mean, the rear is just a whole different story. You can see it's vent right here. I hit a rock up in the mountains right there. Oh, that looks good. Yes, that's how I run my car. I run my front end really high because car feels better when I'm driving it. But yeah, I had this thing for a while now. Like, I've been saving these parts for months, and it just keep getting like setback. And even after everything gets fitted, it's probably not gonna go to paint right away. But yeah, other than that, I actually have let's drill them on. I have over fenders for it, for the rear, because the quarter pounds are like really bad. I actually have them up there. I can put some tape and we get a better idea of how like it's gonna look. So let's do that right now. I also have a wing for it, which I don't know if you guys can tell, but I'm not gonna show you guys that one today. This is gonna be a surprise. But yeah, let's get these things down. So yeah, we have the rear overs right here, and they're not the prettiest, you know. All this kit, it's like used, but it's budget, you know. So trying to make it happen in under a certain budget. It is a drift car, so this is gonna get destroyed. But yeah, let's put them on. All right, so I couldn't find like better tape, so let's hope electrical tape works. We got this one. All right, I just put one on right now, and It already looks way better than the messed up quarter panel. Obviously you can see I still have to like adjust it right here, so it fits better. Now let's do the other one, see if we can get it to fit too. All right, I'm gonna just put some tape so it doesn't fall off. I had to wait a little bit because it was too noisy. This was easier to like mount just because it has the antenna one, so it kind of holds it in place. But this side is probably the worst, like compared to both of them. One, because I got hit like this like a long time ago, so I gotta find a way to pull this out, or once I get the other bumper, see if it's gonna like fit better and maybe leave this alone. Also, there's a dent right here that I need to pull, so like, you know, that's easy. This is the first time I'm looking at the car with this thing on. Like I said, I'm missing the wing and the rear bumper, but it looks really cool. I'm really hype on this. This is a better side too, but man, this is so sick, like seeing it coming together. This is gonna be a while until I finish like this thing and it gets painted. The main goal for today was just to have like a first look at how it's gonna be and all the work that I have to do. And I mean, just like looking at it like already makes me want to work on it, but not today. I've been wanting to do this for a while now because I've been collecting these parts for the last few months and they've just been sitting, and I was like, you know, I got some time today and might as well just film it. So exciting stuff, you know, because like it's just been sitting for a long time, and now that it's on, and you know, it's gonna need like a ton of work, but it's gonna be worth it. One thing I'm gonna say right now, that I'm not gonna go like 100% on like fitment or 100% on like body work, because even after it gets painted, like I'm still gonna drive this car to 100%, you know, 120%. So I don't want to like put in like 120% on body work and all this stuff, and knowing that I'm gonna crash it like the first event, like it's gonna be like bye-bye. It's not gonna look as clean after the first event, so I'm just gonna do my best, make it look decent, you know, and just go from there. But yeah, hopefully the next video I'll be installing the wing or the rear bumper. That's gonna wrap up the video. Hope you guys enjoyed it. One thing, I am trying to make more videos like this where I just I guess like updates, or just showing you guys like a little bit of what we do. Or if you guys want to see something in specific, let me know in the comments. But yeah, for today, I mean, I'm pretty happy with the progress that we made. If you guys like this video, well, feel free to share it. Yeah, I guess until next time.